Quickly available, tasty and healthy. That's what consumers want. Foods to suit every lifestyle and every taste. The food industry supplies consumers worldwide and is growing with diverse and increasingly individualized trends. Global vegetable production alone accounts for around 1 billion tons a year. Market leader groups such as Nestlé, Emmy, Danish Crown, Frito-Lay, Verto, Coca-Cola or Mère Alliance use conveyor technology provided by the global Interroll group. Quickly installed, these solutions shorten the return on investment of the material handling systems from production right up to distribution. Here, a complete range of foods is available in all its ever-growing diversity, fresh every day. The checkout tills ring up sales of over 5 billion euros worldwide daily. At 6 out of 10 counters, drum motors from Interroll gently convey the purchases to the packing area. Drum motors are also used in reverse vending machines around the globe for foolproof waste disposal of all kinds of empty beverage packaging. With respect to all this diversity, the food processing industry must always remember one important factor: the health of consumers around the world. To ensure this, it must satisfy very high requirements. Maximum food safety, cost efficiency and hygiene take priority. Whether in Europe's most modern abattoir, in vegetable processing or in fish processing, Interroll ensures maximum availability of plant and installations. This is because our solutions comply with the international standards for safe food production at all times. Developed in accordance with the guidelines of the European Hygienic Engineering and Design Group, our synchronous drum motor is the most hygienic belt drive in the world. It can be disinfected several times a day using water jets, steam and chemicals, and satisfies even the most stringent FDA and EU regulations. The resistance and stability of the materials used, such as stainless steel and the standardized sealing system complying with IP66, IP69K, guarantee maximum service life. Manufacturers demand conveyor belt drives that can be quickly installed for all kinds of plant, from small to ultra-complex, for users who keep an eye on low overall costs. According to a study conducted at the Technical University of Aalborg, Interroll drum motors save up to 47% primary energy by comparison with gear motors that provide identical performance. The wonderfully savory Gruyere cheese comes from Switzerland. Made in accordance with long-standing tradition, this Swiss delicacy with protected geographical designation of origin is the pride of the regional cheese dairies. Emmy, Switzerland's largest dairy processor, matures the hard cheese until it develops its full flavor and aroma in the mountain store at Fomco. Here, some 9,000 tons a year are refined, 1/3 of Switzerland's total output. The caves store up to 140,000 cheese wheels. Ripening can take up to 18 months and includes weekly treatment with saltwater solution. The resistant drum motors from Interroll play their role in the automated conveying process. They secure the highly productive operations here. No other drive systems are as durable and resistant or require as little maintenance.
Nous avons des conditions de climat qui sont assez difficiles avec passablement d'ammoniac.
The environment here is extremely demanding and has a fairly high ammonia component. We therefore need very reliable machines for safe care of our Gruyere. Machines with a high performance capacity in view of the number of cheeses we handle. For instance, some of our cheese finishing machines process up to 2,000 cheeses an hour. The drum motor is exceptionally robust and reliable. It's precisely the motor we need for our application. Smoked salmon. In Europe, around 120,000 tons a year are consumed. A vast market in which freshness and perfect taste are important above all. Mer Alliance, France's #1 in processing smoked fish, produces up to 30 tons of salmon specialities a day in Quimper, and even up to 60 tons in peak periods. Filleting and portioning the slices according to tight weight specifications is a technical challenge, a case for the Interroll synchronous drum motor. With precise and reliable clocking, it conveys each portion from the filleting machine across the weighing facility to the packaging station. Mer Alliance collaborated with Interroll to modernize its facilities.
Partant des deux contraintes que je viens de citer, on a décidé de faire des...
Alongside aspects such as compact design and efficient cleaning, we were faced with completely new challenges, such as 90-degree transfers and continuous start-stop operation. We had to control each conveyor movement with high precision, and that's where synchronous drum motors from Interroll come into their own.
Formidable parce qu'on peut vraiment les piloter parfaitement et donc faire varier complètement la dynamique de la plaque au dernier moment.
Frozen foods have become the trend. The growth market has long since surpassed an annual volume of 20 million tons. Virto, an upcoming multinational vegetable producer, supplies the trade and industry with around 220,000 tons of a broad product range every year. One of these products is spinach. The delicate leafy vegetable is transported via the shortest route from all parts of the country to the factory in southern Spain for gentle processing. This ensures that both flavor and vitamins are retained. From delivery to blanching and freezing and then on to packaging, spinach runs first in raw and then in frozen condition through state-of-the-art processing lines, just in time for punctual distribution. To guard against stoppages with all their serious and expensive consequences, Virto believes in using proven technologies in all sectors. That is why their belt conveyor installations use Interroll drum motors and thermoplastic conveyor belts above all. Virto sees its technical requirements satisfied by Interroll drives. We've been using drum motors for 2 years now and have never had to replace a single one. Thanks to its compact design, the Interroll drum motor has major advantages. It's easy to clean, requires minimal maintenance, and can easily be exchanged if needed. This reduces the costs of interruption to a minimum. By contrast with gear motors, Interroll drum motors can be cleaned in half the time, with less water and less cleaning agent. This all reduces operating costs. Snacks, the growth market for bite-sized portions, are becoming increasingly popular in newly industrializing countries too. Studies forecast double-digit growth rates for the coming years. Snacks and beverages belong to those fast-moving consumer products that demand masterly logistic performance for distribution. That is why global brands such as Nestlé, Coca-Cola, Red Bull, Co-op, Migros or Carrefour are increasingly turning to the resource-friendly solutions by Interroll. Distribution centers make use of the high turnaround capacity of the space and energy-saving flow storage blocks. These save up to half the space required by high-rack storage systems and double the order-picking throughput. First-in, first-out pallet storage guarantees absolute product freshness, intactness, and exact inventory control. Whether in food processing or other industries, drum motors from Interroll power growth markets. The Interroll drum motor is the best answer for food experts across the globe seeking an outstanding solution to their internal logistic requirements. This unique product complies with all major hygiene requirements and regulations. Its excellent overall efficiency of 80% and its premium reliability and precision make the Interroll drum motor the key element in your operating plant. Its endurance boosts your productivity while at the same time cutting costs and maximizing throughput. To enhance plant efficiency even further, Interroll is supporting the Haute As project. This program, promoted by the German government, develops high-tech diagnostic functions to improve process safety and reduce downtimes. Whether you are a system integrator, plant manufacturer, or user, choose us as your partner and we will help expand your business. With our worldwide service network, we are always close to you. Interroll. Inspired by efficiency.